How to use a Vedubox Tutor account. Click to create your Vedubox Tutor account. Choose a plan for a free trial account. Fill in the required fields to create your tutor account. You can create your account after filling in the required fields. If you have an account, you can log in with your username and password. In the first step, you need to create a course. Click to create a course. After selecting the course name and category, click the Save button. Click to add content to the courses, then click the Update button. Add topics, then you can add content in many formats. You can add your students and assign a course. After completing the required fields, assign the course to your student and click the Save button. Click the external live lesson link in the profile area, then add your live lesson links. Then click the Update button. Click the Live button to add a live lesson. Then click on the Add External Live Lesson button. After select a course, set the course title, date and time. Then select your platform from the external link field and save it. Click on the exams to create tests and exams, then create question categories. You can add questions in 9 different ways. You can create tests from your questions or do your tests with an optical reader.